Sunset fading out real slow. Words I need you all to know. Struggle to break through the night, waiting for the dim light. Stars above tinkering cold. How did we ever get so old? Years fall like silent rain. Keep chasing dreams in pain. Baby, can I hold you close? Whisper things that no one knows. Love is like a secret song. Let's keep it going strong. Lost in this tangled world, your hair a messy swirl. Chaos but in our grace, feeling just the same place. Midnight shadows drift away. Darkness stirred but couldn't stay. Found myself within your eyes, where every truth lies. Baby, can I hold you close? Whisper things that no one knows. Love is like a secret song. Let's keep it going strong. Baby, can I hold you close? Whisper things that no one knows. Love is like a secret song. Let's keep it going strong.
Too long it's tearing me apart. Every time I fight back feels like a lost start. No sleep at night, my head a war zone. Love's a battle that I can't fight alone. My heart's in chains and it's dragging me down. Can't find peace in this troubled town. Shadows haunt me as I walk this path. Every step a reminder of what we had. Clouds rise as the nights grow cold. Truths untold, time to be bold. Empty bottles lining my floor. Can't hide from what I knew before. Dreams shattered like pieces of glass. Memories fade but some still last. Voices whisper in my ear, reminding me of love so near. I can't fight this feeling anymore. Caught in a storm I can't ignore. Waves crashing on my broken shore. I can't fight this feeling anymore. I can't fight this feeling anymore. Caught in a storm I can't ignore. Waves crashing on my broken shore. I can't fight this feeling anymore. I can't fight this feeling anymore. Caught in a storm I can't ignore. Waves crashing on my broken shore. I can't fight this feeling anymore. Skies breaking, hearts aching, loud whispers, footsteps, and steps echo shadows long and empty. Lost in cycles, can't find the end. Gripping tightly, nothing to defend. Cold nights surrender, no mercy given. Eyes glazed over dreams that never risen. Fragmented voices in my head scream. Truth lies hidden, buried in the stream. Bring me down, tear it all apart. Strip the layers, dissect this heart. Bring me down, let the pain flood in. Show me darkness where it begins. Silent cries lost amidst the crowd. Disconnected nerves feel so damn proud. Running circles, chasing tails on fire. Broken mirrors reflect my desire. Rain falls heavy, drowning out the past. Clinging memories can never last. Words left unspoken linger in the air. Embrace the void if you truly dare. Bring me down, tear it all apart. Strip the layers, dissect this heart. Bring me down, let the pain flood in. Show me darkness where it begins. See the shadow fade from view. Hear these echoes whispering through. Hearts wreck can't seem to mend. Endless road around the bend. Memories haunting broken lines. Lost in time and all the signs. Empty nights without your fire. Burnt out candle, cold desire. Memories haunting broken lines. Lost in time and all the signs. Empty nights without your fire. Burnt out candle, cold desire. Almost over you but not quite there. Pain inside, too much to bear. Broken dreams in the rear view. Tell me why I still see you. Midnight clock, it chimes for me. Hourglass, my enemy. Torn apart by every thought. Freedom from you never caught. Almost over you but not quite there. Pain inside, too much sound. In the silence I am bound. Shadowed past won't let me be. Close my eyes, you're all I see. Almost over you, but not quite there. Pain inside, too much to bear. Broken dreams in the rear view. Tell me why I still see you. I still see you. Tell me why I still see you. Broken dreams, scattered pieces, lonely nights, twisted reasons, echoes of forgotten seasons, living shadows, no more pleases. Hollow hearts, restless souls, whispers lost and whispered ghosts, raging rivers, dark deep holes, finding light beneath these coals. All for love, what's left behind. Pain and sorrow I can't rewind. Sacrifice a heavy bind. Searching peace, but none I find. Empty halls, fading faces, paths unwalked, vacant places.